Do you want to help your students with choosing the right books for their preparations for the IELTS exam? Then look no further than our user-friendly Order Online form template. It's designed specifically for the IELTS exam preparation. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more useful content, and let's get started. Okay, so first things first, let's start by heading over to the Formula dashboard and click on Templates. In the search bar, let's search for Online Order Form. Today, let's use this one. Great! Now we can see the editor page and the menu on the left where we can drag and drop to add different fields and options to your form. You can also remove fields and rearrange the order of your fields by simply using the drag and drop. The first field we can see is a single choice field. Here you can customize the text and add or remove the options as well as adding images to your options if you wish to here. Next, we can see the product fields. Create your title and add a description if you want to. Add the minimum and maximum amounts and set a unit price, and here you can add an image. And below, we can see the ID is set for Cambridge. IDs are unique identifiers of fields and they help you call the field's value in formulas and for answer piping. This ID is needed to calculate the total price in the formula. Now let's scroll further down the form, and here, as you can see, there is a variable field. To calculate the total estimated cost, you can use variable fields and select formula type, so you can calculate different fields together. If you would like to know more about variable fields and how they work, I've left for you a link in the top right corner of this video for you to check out. Awesome! Now let's go to the Design tab. Here you can change the look of your form by, for example, changing the colors of the form, change the font. You can also change the background image and even customize the text on the buttons and messages. Now let's scroll to the top, and here, as you can see, this is a single-step form, which means all questions will be shown on a single page. With the multi-step option, all questions will be displayed on multiple pages like this. Awesome! Now let's go to the Logic and Calculator tab and click on Advanced Logic. With Logic, you can collect data from your students based on different categories. Like, for example, you can show or hide the next fields on your form like this. If a submitter chooses option 1, General Exam, then show Cambridge English Books option and IELTS Official Practice. Great! Now let's go to the Settings tab. Here you can select the form with payment option and choose your payment method. Your form will automatically redirect to the payment gateway. If you would like to know more about this option, I have left a tutorial for you to check out in the top right corner. And finally, let's head over to the Notifications tab. Here you can enable this option to get a notification every time a student submits your form, and here you can add another email for your team to forward the same notification to. And there you have it! Now you can create your own online order form and customize it to your needs, and add more products and questions. Also, make sure to check out the tutorial on how to create an order form step by step. The link is in the description below. Sign up at Formula for free, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share with your friends. Happy formulaing!